Hello, I'm glad to see you back, and today's look was done for Mehron competition, and half of the face supposed to be beauty and other is performance. So I decided to do flower petals on one side. I loaded 3/4 inch brush with black and white color. This is Mehron split cake. This is cream makeup, so eyeshadows going really well onto that, so I decided just to go with black and white and then adding colors with some shadows. I'm using Star Blend red color with sponge. I'm trying to make red is more intense into the inside of each petal, and the more I go to the outside of the petal, the color is fading a little bit. Next, I'm outlining each petal to make the shape more crisp color, and then adding white, which makes petals to stand out even more. First I used lens for performance side, but then I opted out and decided just to leave it. For beauty side of my face, I contouring it with red and brown just to match the other side, and then adding quite a strong makeup for both eyes. I also decided to paint in additional eyelashes since the makeup should be still very strong to match the petal part. With a wax I did a petal shape and also glued it in onto my forehead using a spirit gum. Then I painted it the same way as I did all of my petals before. I painted around it black so my petal stands out. At the end I added some glitter to some parts of the painting. I hope you enjoyed this look. I will be waiting for your likes and comments. If you would like to see my videos as soon as they come out, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also click this bell button so you will receive email notification when my next video is released. If you are just interested in the final look and not bothered about the process, you can subscribe to my trailer channel where I post the finished product. This is all for today. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!